There are 3 different shipping methods available: free pickup at Sunglow, ship to another address, and add simple service. Free pickup at Sunglow. You can pick up your order for free at our address, 50 Hollinger Road. Ship to another address. To ship to a different address, fill in the contact information and ensure that the address is accurate. Don't forget to complete all required fields and save your information. Add simple service. Simple service is for Sunglow's installation services. You'll receive accurate measurements and hassle-free installation. Please verify that the site details, check measure, and installation details are correct, as these 3 sections will determine the total cost. Click Submit to add simple service to the order. Thank you for watching this video. Sunglow is committed to supporting dealers in their sales processes and is continually seeking ways to innovate and enhance the dealer experience. For more tutorials, please visit our YouTube page and be sure to keep an eye on our newsletters for updates.